If you've never copied and pasted an iPhone before, or you're not sure if you're doing it right, this video will show you exactly how. If this helps, consider subscribing. Let's start with copying text. Open any app where there's text. Your Notes app is a good place to practice. Double tap on a word until you see it get highlighted with handles on each side. Those little dots, drag them to select exactly how much text you want. Once you've selected what you need, you'll see a menu pop up above the text. Tap copy. That's it. The text is now saved to your clipboard. Now to paste it, go to wherever you want to put that text. A message, an email, a note, anywhere. Single tap where you want to paste. You'll see a menu appear. Tap paste. The text will appear instantly. Now let me show you how to copy something other than text. Let's see how we can copy a link. If you're on a web page in Safari, tap and hold the link itself. You'll see a menu pop up. Tap copy. Then go paste it wherever you need it. Same process for images. Tap and hold on an image. You'll see an option that says copy. Tap it. Then go to wherever you want to put it. Tap and then select paste. A couple of quick things to know. Your iPhone only remembers one thing at a time on the clipboard. If you copy something new, the old thing is gone. Also, if you tap paste and nothing shows up, make sure you actually copied something first. It's easy to forget. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like the video as it really helps the channel out, and subscribe for more videos like this one. This is Abdul signing out, and I'll see you in the next one.